Hello everyone, and today I would like to teach you the difference between these tricky words another, other, the other. People often get confused because it's crazy. When do you use another? When do you use other? What is the difference? Let's figure it out and let's learn to use these words correctly because we need them so often, right? Imagine that you are describing several objects. For example, I am watching a video now and I want to watch another one, the other one. So what's the difference? Another means one more of the many. That's its meaning. Imagine that you have many objects. For example, here we have many videos on YouTube or many dresses in the shop, yeah? And you have one. This is one. This is the video you are watching now. And you want one more of all of these many. That's why you will say, after watching this video, I will watch another one. Or another. Yeah, I will watch another. And if you look at the structure of this word, you will see that "and" is actually an article, right? This indefinite article which shows one object. That's why you need to be very careful in using this word because many English learners make this mistake. They say another people, another things, and it's not possible. No, it's a mistake. You will say another person, another video, meaning one more of many. And this is very important. You only use it with singular nouns which are countable. Yeah, because I need to say one video, two videos, three, one video, another video. If you have an uncountable noun, yes, and for example, you want to say other stuff. I watch videos about English and other stuff, yes, about other topics and so on and so on. You will need other here because now we don't have an indefinite article here and you can use it with plural. And you will mean again some of many. That's its meaning. As you can see, I already told you, you can use it with plurals of countables. I will watch other videos later. Some of these many objects. Again, you have many, you pick several, and for plural, you use other. Other videos, other people, other things, and so on. But it's also possible to use it with uncountable. I'm showing you some plus uncountable, yeah? Some other stuff, other money, other advice, and so on and so on. It's possible to use it with two types of nouns. It's very practical. But what about the other? What is the difference of the other? The trick of the other is that you only have two objects, not many like here, but only two. The one is the first one, and this second one is the other one. For example, I have two brothers. One lives in Paris and the other one lives in London. I have two things to do. One is good, the other is not so nice, right? Something like that. You only name the second one. And this is actually very funny about English. Why can't you say the second? Because the second one is only possible to say when you are counting many objects. For example, 3 or 4. Here, you should have this line. The first, the second, the third. If you only have two. You can't use it here. For two objects, you only have the other. And grammatically, it will be yes, one other of two. One other of two. This is with singular nouns. But probably your next question is, can we use the other for plural nouns? Yes, it's possible, because when you have many objects, you named one, and then you want to say about all the rest. Basically, the other with plural, the other with plural, the other people, the other videos, the other lessons, and so on and so on, will mean all the other, or all the rest. I like English, and I don't want to learn the other languages, any of them. I love English and I don't want to learn any of other languages, but I don't want to learn the other, all of them. That's the difference between other and the other with the plural noun. Other, some of many, and the other, all of this many, okay, except for the one which you named at the very beginning. Let's have a look at some examples. I just finished a book by Georges Simenon. It's a French detective story. And I want to read another one. Another one, because Simenon has written a lot of books. Do you know any good other French detective writers? What are other French detective writers? Name me some of them. I have two favorite writers, Agatha Christie, and the other one is Simenon. The first one is Agatha Christie, and the other one is Simenon. And for example, I have bought 5 books lately. I have read 2, and the other ones are still waiting on the shelf. You have bought 5 books, you have read 2, and the other ones, how many? 3? Yes, it's a little bit of mathematics here, are waiting on the shelf. Many, some, all of them, so to say, and you only use the second in the line of things. I have chosen 3 dresses. The first one is yellow, the second one is blue, and the third one is white. Why not? And I am now showing you a slide with a little exercise. Please stop the video, think about the word you need to use in those sentences, and if you have any questions, please write them in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and I will be happy to teach you even more vocabulary English lessons. Thank you very much for watching.